How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, guys, I bought something and I want to put it to the test. What you guys think about this Black Magic No Scrub Oil Cleaner? It says that you're gonna be able to put it on the wheels. You don't need to brush. You don't need anything but this, and then spray some water, and it's supposed to keep your wheels clean. It says that the pH is balanced for all wheels. So first thing that you need to do, put it on, spray it with water, clean it, and it should remove all the grime. It should keep them clean and remove the brake dust. So we're gonna put that to the test in this episode. Quick little video just for you guys, and let's see if really this Black Magic No Scrub works on your wheels. The vehicle for this demonstration is gonna be the Honda Accord, and we had the rear wheels really dirty. As you can see, I haven't have any time to clean them, but hopefully this works, because sometimes you're on the rush and you don't have all the time in the world to clean your wheels. And if this works, I'm gonna let you know. Okay, guys, so the label says that this is a quick, easy way to clean wheels. It says that it's gonna dissolve brake dust, dirt, and road grime. On the directions, it says spray Black Magic No Scrub Wheel Cleaner into cool, dry wheel. Allow it to set for 2 minutes. Then hose it off with cold water. Step number 3, wipe away remaining brake dust and grime. And on the last step, it says that if they're really dirty, if the wheels had a lot of grime, probably you're gonna have to use something to clean it, like a brush. But overall, if your wheels they're not extremely dirty, like you never clean them, you do it once in a while, like on mine, probably it's gonna take everything away. But let's see if it does clean them, because my wheels, I clean them once in a while. It's not like I clean them every weekend. So this one should work. Let's check it out, guys. It smells really good too. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes like the bottle said, and then we'll spray some water. Obviously the front ones always the front ones get really dirty. So let's see if these things is really gonna do the job, because my wheels on the front, they have a lot of brake dust. It's been like a minute. I don't think it's gonna keep them like 100% clean, guys, because you guys, to be honest, you already guys know, probably some of you are expert on cleaning wheels and keep your car shiny and clean and protected. But in my schedule, sometimes I don't have time for that. But if you can see, it doesn't look like it removes everything. 2 minutes and we're ready to put some water, see how it look. We need to clean it with the towel to remove all the grime and brake dust, because to be honest, it didn't do a lot. Let's wait until it gets dry so we can see the end result. can see, guys, hopefully it's not too windy, but you can see a lot of brake dust and grime still on the wheel. Let's clean it with a microfiber towel, see how they look. After you use a microfiber towel, guys, it's gonna look decent. It's not gonna look 100% perfect because still you have to clean them. You have to use a brush. I recommend to use a brush, because by only spraying that product into your wheel, it's not gonna do a miracle, as you can see. So guys, obviously this one is not a miracle product. You still have to do some work in order for you to keep your wheels clean. You're gonna need to clean them and use a brush, definitely, because even though I clean my wheels once in a while, that thing doesn't do a miracle like just spraying it, leave it for 2 minutes, hose it off, and then magically they're gonna be clean. No, I doubt it. It helps a little bit, but not a lot like it says on the product. If you're some expert watching this episode, show me and recommend me another product, because that one I already tried. You guys saw me before. If you're done, I'm gonna put right here that video where I use this one, and that one is even a little bit more powerful than this one, but obviously still you have to clean them. You have to use a brush and clean your wheels. So guys, have any questions, please comment down below. Suggestions or anything you want to add, put it on the description. And thanks for watching another episode, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.